Today we're diving into strings. You'll use them in literally every C# program you write. They seem simple but have some surprising behaviors. We'll explore why strings are immutable and what that means for performance. This trips up everyone at first. And I'll show you when and why to use StringBuilder. It can make your code literally thousands of times faster in certain scenarios. Here's what confused me for months. Strings are reference types, but they act like value types. They live on the heap, but you can't change them after creation. Every change creates a brand new string. Once you understand this, so many weird behaviors suddenly make sense. Strings aren't just text storage, they're full objects with dozens of useful methods. And that $sign syntax, string interpolation, way cleaner than concatenation. This is the part that confused me at first. String methods don't modify the original string, they return a new string. If you don't capture the result, nothing happens. For finding text, use contains for simple checks, index or of to get position, or starts with and ends with for prefix, suffix checks. To modify strings, remember, creates new ones, use replace for swapping text, trim for removing whitespace, substring for extracting parts, for formatting to upper and to lower change case, pad left and pad right, add spacing, and string.format for complex formatting. Split breaks strings into arrays, join combines arrays into strings, and concat efficiently combines multiple strings. Don't create new strings just to compare. String comparison options let you do case-insensitive comparisons without the allocation overhead. This drives me crazy. Every concatenation creates a new string. In a loop, you're creating thousands of garbage strings. This can literally freeze your application. Watch what happens when we use StringBuilder. Same result, but 250 times faster. It maintains an internal buffer that grows as needed. Anytime you're building strings in a loop, StringBuilder is almost always the right choice. The performance difference is massive when constructing large strings from many parts, like HTML, CSV files, or reports. StringBuilder shines. String interpolation isn't just for variables. You can put expressions, method calls, even ternary operators in those curly braces. So powerful. StringReader and StringWriter let you treat strings like files or streams, perfect for parsing multi-line text or building complex output. That error symbol creates verbatim strings, no escape sequences needed, perfect for file paths and multi-line text. Just double up quotes to include them. Concatenating 1,000 strings takes about 15 milliseconds. StringBuilder, 0.1 milliseconds. That's 150 times faster. Those same 1,000 concatenations allocate about 500 kilobyte of garbage strings. StringBuilder uses just 4 kilobyte of buffer. It's not just speed. All those temporary strings trigger garbage collection, which can freeze your entire application. The classic mistake, calling replace or trim, but not capturing the result. Remember, strings don't change, methods return new strings. Please don't concatenate in loops without StringBuilder. I've seen this bring down production servers. Not joking. Strings can be null, always check before calling methods, or use the null conditional operator to be safe. Remember, strings never change. Every modification creates a new string object. When building strings in loops or from many parts, StringBuilder is your friend. The performance difference is dramatic. Modern string interpolation with $, is clean, readable, and usually fast enough. It's my go-to for most scenarios. Be conscious of string allocations in hot paths. Those temporary strings add up and can tank performance. Next up, we're diving into control flow, making decisions with if-else statements. We'll explore Boolean logic, comparison operators, and how to structure complex conditions. This is where your programs start getting intelligent, making choices based on data,